Hello everyone, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your apps that won't open on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing what you can do is you can first restart your iPhone, and you can simply do this by clicking on the top volume button and your power button. Keep pressing on and you will come up with an option of slide to power off. Then you slide to power off and then you turn on by clicking on the power button on your iPhone. That's on the right hand side when you hold it upright. So the next thing what you can do is go to your app store and then click on your Apple ID from here. When you go down, and as you can see, here are the different updates that you can perform on application, and you need to make sure that your apps are updated properly in order for them to work. So if you have not updated them, then please make sure to update your application as well. The next thing what you can do is you can free up some space, as you don't know what application are taking what amount of storage. So the next thing you can do is go to settings and go to general, and over here you can see iPhone storage, and mine is already about to be full, and these are the applications that are taking off most of the space. And what you can do is, if your Instagram is not working, then offload the application. This will only offload, free up some storage used by the apps, but keeps all the data. And once you offload, you need to reinstall your application again, but this is not a big problem. So offload your application and reinstall it. So this is a quick and easy 3 steps on what you can do to fix the application that won't open on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video.